a condom that will turn a different color if bacteria from a disease or infection is detected. It can glow green for chlamydia, yellow for herpes, purple for HPV, and blue for syphilis.
Hi, from the appearance of my body, you might think that I'm a fat fucking bitch. You're not completely wrong, but you're a little bit wrong. Because I just have huge titties.
I'm an enrichment.
Professor?
Très important. J'appellerai les gens et le bulletin. Donc les bilans.
Oh, I got a new one. What's the opposite of defeat? The hands.
Okay, that one was fun.
Okay, so here we've got a couple of parents. They've been to Suzanne's 50th birthday bash and they're not ready for the night to end. Dad's got a few rum and cokes to take to the theatre room. Oh! Mum's whacked her head. Let's look at a replay of that. She appeared to be stable, meandering down the hallway, but when she gets to the first step, she ends up in all kinds of trouble. Her foot's like, yeah, nah, she stumbles, bam. The wall's good. It's like, I've got ya. You're drunk as a skunk, I've got ya. Essentially, it's a win, because she's on the third step. Oh! Fuck me to hell and back! Dad down! Dad down! Assistance required! Preferably not by Mum. She's stuck! She's in a vodka cruiser paralysis. It's okay, Dad's making a comeback. He's up! What a fucking unit! Beast mode activated. He smashes the first step, second step, uses Mum as a pit stop, and looks down. Don't look down! You're gonna give yourself vertigo, mate. Oh, this is nice. He wants to help the missus. He reaches out to hold her hand. No! He stole her drink. Dad's turned into a prick.
Caralho, velho. Onde será que ele tá, bicho? Faço nem ideia, cara. Onde será que ele tá, velho? Onde será que Fica em pé e coloca a mão pra trás. Fica em pé e coloca a mão pra trás. Coloca a mão pra trás. Aí, de costa. Isso, de boa. De boa. Tá de boa. Tranquilo.
Ёбаный в рот. И нахуй почти.
Good.